morning, dear student. Prayer. Okay. Today we start a new chapter, chapter 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. In our daily life, tall buildings, we are seeing tall buildings, isn't it? We are standing in the ground and looking the top of that tall building. There will be an angle. That angle is a right angle. The same way, we are on the top of a building and we looking to below or look into the ground floor. We also there will be a right angle. So take it up, page number 173, chapter 8. Here giving that examples. Suppose the students of a school are visiting Qutb Minar. Now, if a student is looking at the top of the Minar, a right triangle can be imagined to be made. That example is drawn there. And second example also. If we look into the height, there will be a right angle, imagined right angle, and we looking from the top to the down, there also an right angle made, that is imagined right angle. How will form a right triangle? Suppose this is tall building. We are standing here. So this is ground, both are on the ground. Now we are looking to the top of this building and this is normal side view. This is our normal side view and we are looking top. Then this side is made. Okay, so now look here. Here is a right triangle. This angle is 90 degree and this is a right triangle. So here we get right triangle. Now look this right angle. What is the properties of right angles? Right angles, one angle is 90 degree. Always one angle is 90 degree and the side opposite to this 90 degree is known as hypotenuse of that right angle. Okay, that is always fixed. That is fixed property. Opposite of 90 degree. Opposite of 90 degree. This side and that side is known as the hypotenuse of the right angle. And one more property is that sum of these two angles is always 90 degree. Why? Total angle of this right angle, any triangle is 180 degree and here one angle is 90 degree, then the sum of other two angles is always 90 degree. So properties of right angle is one angle is 90 degree and opposite side of that angle is hypotenuse and the sum of other two angles 90 degree. Suppose we are standing on the ground and we are looking top of a building and we want to find the height of that building. Suppose how we will find it? Here we use an idea from maths, that is trigonometry. Okay, trigonometry is the study of relation between sides and angles of triangles. Trigonometry is the study of relationship between sides and angles of triangles. Now about trigonometry word. Trigonometry word comes from Greek words, three Greek words, that is tri, gon, metron. Tri means three, gon means sides and metron means measure. We are going to learn trigonometric ratios. Before that, consider this right triangle. This is angle A and this is angle C. Both are acute angles. Okay. Now, if we take angle A with this side with respect to this angle, this is the opposite side of this angle. Okay, relating to this angle, this side is opposite to angle A and this side is adjacent to angle A. Understood? We take angle A and this side is opposite to angle A, and this side is adjacent to angle A. And if we suppose we take angle C, okay, then its opposite side is this one. Suppose we take angle C, then with respect to angle C, this side is opposite angle and this side is adjacent angle. Now first trigonometric ratio is sin A, sin, S-I-N-E, sin of angle A. This is equal to, trigonometry is the relationship between angle and sides. So sin angle A means angle A is relating to sides. So opposite of angle A is BC, and sin means opposite side by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is always same. It is not varying. Opposite of 90 degree, that side is always hypotenuse and that is not varying. This, according to this angle C and angle A, these two sides are changing. Okay. Suppose if we take angle A, then this side is opposite to that angle and this side is adjacent to angle A. Suppose we take angle C, then this side is opposite to angle C and this side is adjacent of angle C. This hypotenuse is always fixed, that is not varying. Opposite side of angle A is BC and the hypotenuse of this right triangle is AC. So sin A equal BC by AC. Next ratio is cosine angle A. Short form of sin is sin, S-I-N, sin, and this cosine is cos, C-O-S, cos. So cosine angle A is adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is, adjacent side is AB. So AB by hypotenuse is AC. So this is the second ratio, adjacent side by hypotenuse. First ratio is sin. Sin is opposite side by hypotenuse according to the angle. If we take angle A, then this is BC by AC. Okay. So sin means opposite side by hypotenuse, that is fixed. And cosine means adjacent by hypotenuse, that is also fixed. Then it's the side varying. This sides varying according to we take which angle. Ratio is tangent of angle A. So its short form is tan and we are always using tan angle A. Here also we take its short form cos and here also sin. Okay. So you need to study sin, cos, tan like that, and in your mind keep this is sin, sin is sin and this is cosine and this is tangent, like that keep in your mind. Okay. So tan and angle A is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side, and this opposite side here is BC. So this is BC by adjacent side AB. Okay. Now fourth ratio is known as cosecant. Cosecant, and we take its short form, always use cosec. So cosec angle A is the reverse of sin angle A, or cosec angle A is equal to 1 by sin A. 1 by sin A means hypotenuse by opposite side. Understood? So cosecant A means this reverse of this side, or 1 by sin angle A. So cosec and sin are related, and cosec angle A is hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse by opposite sides. This is equal hypotenuse by opposite side, and this is AC by BC. Okay. And next relation is secant. Secant is related to cos and short form is SCC, sec. So this is 1 by cos A. Sec is 1 by cos A. That is the reverse of that is hypotenuse by adjacent. Sec A is hypotenuse by adjacent. And this is equal to AC by AB. Okay. And last ratio is cotangent. Cotangent, its a short form we use is cot. Cotangent, it's a short form cot. So cot angle A is also 1 by tan angle A. 1 by tan angle A, that is it is adjacent by opposite. Adjacent by opposite, and this is AB by BC. AB by BC. So sine and cosec are related, cos and sec are related, and tan and cot are related. We have 6 trigonometric ratios. First is sine. So sine means opposite side by hypotenuse. And with respect to angle A, this is opposite side and this is adjacent side and this is hypotenuse. And sine angle A is equal to this BC by hypotenuse AC. Okay. And second ratio is cosine. Cosine, it's a short form cos angle A equal adjacent side by hypotenuse, and according to angle A, this is AB by AC. Okay. Next is tangent. Its a short form is tan, T-A-N, tan. Tan means opposite by adjacent. Here BC by AB. And next is cosecant. Its a short form is cosec and it is related with sine. Cosec is 1 by sine. That is hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse by opposite sides, and here AC by BC. Okay. And next is secant. Its a short form is sec and it is related with the cosine, and sec is 1 by cos and sec equal to hypotenuse by adjacent. It's a reverse. Hypotenuse by adjacent, and that is AC by AB. And the last is cotangent. Cotangent, it's a short form cot and it is also related with tan. Cot is 1 by tan. That is adjacent by opposite, and here AB by BC. Now take page 181, exercise 8.1. First question. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, AB equal 24 cm, BC equal to 7 cm. Determine sin A, cos A and sin C, cos C. So, according to the question, triangle ABC right angled at B. That means angle B is right angle and AB equal 24 centimeter and BC equal 7 centimeter. We need to find sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C. Okay. So here we don't know this AC. So first we need to find length of AC, then we are going to find the sine, cos, etc. Okay. So here we use which theorem? Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So we use that AC square equal to AB square plus BC square equal to AB square means 24 square plus BC square 7 square. 24 square is 576 and 7 square is 49, and add we get 625. That is AC square is equal to 625 and we need AC, and AC is equal to root 625. Root 625 is 25. So this measure is 25 centimeter. So our first question is sin A and cos A. That means with respect to angle A, we need to find the sin and cos. Okay. So with respect to angle A, its opposite side is BC and its adjacent side is AB, and this always hypotenuse. Okay, opposite of 90 degree is always hypotenuse. Okay, now sine A is, what is the meaning of sine? Sine means opposite by hypotenuse. Sine means opposite by hypotenuse, and according to angle A, opposite side is BC. So BC by its hypotenuse AC, and this is equal to, BC is 7 centimeter. So 7 by 25. And next cos. What is the meaning of cos? Adjacent by hypotenuse, and in this question adjacent side of A is AB. So AB by hypotenuse is AC, and the value of AB is 24 and value of AC is 25. So cos A is 24 by 25. In second sub question, we need to find sine and cos with respect to angle C. Okay. So with respect to angle C, opposite side is AB. This side is opposite side and its adjacent side is BC. Okay. So sine equal to opposite by hypotenuse, and here opposite of this angle C is AB. So AB by hypotenuse is AC, and AB is 24 and hypotenuse 25. So answer is 24 by 25. And cos C. Cos means adjacent by hypotenuse, and in this question adjacent is BC. So BC by AC, and value of BC is 7. So 7 by 25. Now question 2. In figure 8.13, find tan P minus cot R. Okay. So this is figure 8.3. PQR, right angle triangle, PQ 12 centimeter, PR 13 centimeter, and PR is always hypotenuse because this is opposite to right angle, 90 degrees opposite side. Okay. Now we don't know QR. So first we need to find the measure of QR. Okay. So here also we always use Pythagoras theorem for right angle triangle for finding side. Okay. So according to Pythagoras theorem, PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square. Isn't it? Here we need to find QR square. So QR square is equal to this PR square minus PQ square. We transpose this PQ square to this side. Okay. So QR square equal to PR square minus PQ square, and PR is 12 square and 13 square, and PQ is 12 square. So 13 square is 169 minus 12 square is 144, and after subtraction we get 25, and QR 25 is QR square and QR is root 25, and this is equal to 5. So the measure of this side is 5 centimeter. Now we need to find tan P minus cot R. So according to P, its opposite side is QR and its adjacent side is PQ. Okay. According to the angle, this side is vary. Okay. So according to P, opposite side is QR and adjacent side is PQ. And we know tan is equal to opposite by adjacent. So here opposite side is QR. So this is equal to QR by adjacent side PQ. QR is 5 and PQ is 12. And next is cot R. So R, with respect to R, its adjacent side is this. With respect to R, angle R, its adjacent side is this and its opposite side is this side. Okay, so Now chord R is equal to adjacent by opposite. Okay. This is equal to adjacent of R is QR. So QR by opposite of this angle R is PQ. So QR by PQ, and measure of QR is 5 and measure of PQ is 12. Okay, now we need to find tan B minus cot R. That means subtract tan B and cot R. That is 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12. So 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12 same fractions. So it is 5 minus 5 0. So answer is 0. So today I am going to wind up here, and we will do next questions in next class. Today we learned about trigonometry. Trigonometry is the study of relationship between sides and angles of right triangles. Okay, so we learned 6 trigonometric ratios according to the angle A. Suppose we are going to say according to the angle A, then its opposite side is this one and its adjacent side is this one, and always this side is hypotenuse. Opposite to 90 degree is always hypotenuse. Suppose we take angle C, then its opposite side is this side and its adjacent side is this side, and this side is varying with respect to these angles. Okay, these two are acute angles. And what is the properties of right triangle? Its one angle is 90 degree and always its opposite side is hypotenuse, and the other two angles are acute angles and its sum is 90 degree. Okay, now about trigonometric ratios. First ratio is sine. Sine means opposite by hypotenuse. Then this is according to angle A. So sine A equal to here BC by AB. Sorry, AC. And next is cos A. Cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. And in here, this is AB by AC. And next ratio tan. Tan means opposite by adjacent. That is BC by AB here. And cosec means hypotenuse by opposite, and here that is AC by BC. And sec means hypotenuse by adjacent, and here AC by AB. And cot A means adjacent by opposite, and here AB by BC. And one more thing is that these three ratios related with the other three ratios. That is cosec A is 1 by sin A, sec A is 1 by cos A, cot A is 1 by tan A. So study well and watch videos more times and write notes also. Thank you.